Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today for a lot of people is Thanksgiving Day, at least here in the United States it is, and I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. For another lady here on YouTube, she's from Beauty Bee Nails, it's her birthday and she was actually born on Thanksgiving Day. So happy birthday Beauty Bee Nails! Wish you many more happy birthdays, and in your honor we're doing a collaboration. Just different nail designs we thought you would like. And for me, you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to try a mermaid inspired nail. I was going to do the tail and the whole 9 yards, but I'm still just not up to it. So what I have here is just a nail with Yayoge's cat eye. This is the light water series. This is the magnetic that you don't use black underneath. And I love that collection. And I'm going to put down SheModern's new glue gel. This is for the glitter and pigments. It now has a orange fluorescent label. Has cute holographic glittery. Anyways, I'm going to put it onto this nail. I haven't practiced, so if I get my colors screwed up, I'm going to have them screwed up because I didn't practice. I never practice. I had this whole plan to do a mermaid tail, but I'm just not feeling up to it. So this you would cure in your lamp. Most lamps 30 seconds. And there's going to be a playlist of videos. I will have it at the end of the video. I have it down below and in a pinned comment. Check out the other videos, please. Give them some love. So for my mermaid inspiration, I'm going to use the SheModern stencil number 3. This goes back from when this summer Melinda and I were going to do a collaboration with mermaid nails. We ended up doing Liberty mermaid nails. And I had never did anything mermaid like, so this is just going to be like a touch on that. Something that I probably would have done if it didn't turn out to be the 4th of July when we did it. And I'm just turning my stamper head upside down so that it's flat. This is the way I've always liked doing the SheModern stencils. I've done them a few ways. It's just easier on a stamper. These things always attract dust. Just get out a lint roller, sticky tape, anything. These things always attract dust whether you have the lid on or not. I don't know how. I just take a lint roller or some tape and double check that there's nothing on it. And I just got a little piece of plastic down here so I don't make a horrible mess. And since your jelly stampers are sticky, you're able to tell that you have the item down flat. I've got Blue Teal Holo glitter. I was thinking about using the green sheer color. It won't really show up very much to the naked eye, but very, very fine. I haven't tried this yet. Think about trying this. It's very similar in color, so likely it's not going to show up, but it'll take care of the negative space in here. So I'd like for everybody to please wish Beauty Bee Nails a happy, happy birthday. She helped me out a lot in July when I wanted to quit the collaboration. I quit like 3-4 times. She helped me out. She told me back then when her birthday was and what her little nickname was, that she was born on Thanksgiving Day. And she just chatted with me about other things. And really, she's a sweetheart. And of course, you've seen that I joined that collaboration with her and NAQ 57. I do like to call everybody by their nail names or their channel names because that just helps to get their channel out there more. And of course, her channel will be linked up here as well in the top right corner of this video. This just washes off with water or just dust it onto a rag. Take this, I turn it upside down. That's how I like to do it because if there's any glitter on this side, you can just rinse that off somewhere. So let's see if I made it. Got glue gel cured. This is a long nail compared to what I have. managed to cover it all. And you could use this on something else. If you want a little accent with just a couple of them, you could use that. It's not a problem. That way I didn't really get anything on my palette except for what I pulled off of the stencil. And I'm just going to try out their sheer green. Oops, now I did make a mess. I can pick some of it up with my brush. I believe SheModern still sells these little plastic palettes. I believe they call them, oh, I can't remember now. I think they're nail canvases. They used to come with every purchase. But to economize things, like some of us had like 1,000 of them. I do miss them though. I have to tell you that. I do miss them. I'm just tapping it on because if this was on your nail yourself, anything in between will not be flat against your nail. You won't feel any lumps or bumps or anything. Even though you probably can't see it. Because this is the sheer green. But it has some sparkle in it too. At this point it's okay to rub a little bit. Because the glue gel holds the first glitter down really, really well. If you just want a flat surface on your nail, you just keep filling in the little whatever's left. It shouldn't feel tacky to you. You can just get out another brush. Just brush off the excess. This is the green sheer, and this is the green sheer with sparkling. I just want to show you the difference. I haven't really seen it myself till just now. Sparkling is a lot like the neons. Oops. And green is green. I probably would have did better to put the green in here. Let's get out some top coat. I'm going to add some more mermaid type elements to this. How I clean these off is usually just get out that lint roller or tape. I want to try out my first time ever using Rhineston gel. Modelones is going to be having this on sale. I've never ever tried Rhineston gel before. It's really nice and thick. I like that. Place my doohickeys, because these have hollow backs, so the Rhineston gel really will help adhere them on. It feels like it's got like a glue in it as well. It's not moving on me at all. Not a good idea to use the Rhineston gel on top. Those suckers are going to be secure. Thinking about putting a little more rhinestones. I really don't plan out much of anything. I just knew I was going to do mermaid, picked out a couple colors. I'm going to do my first ever attempt to attach. I decided to add a koi fish because I found out after I sent her some that she really loves koi fish. Koi fishes already. I couldn't find the blings I was looking for. But this, what I found, will work just fine. She's a blingy kind of girl, so I'm going to put some blingies on. Trying to make them look kind of like bubbles. I'm just going to take some of these caviar beads. I had some pixie crystals I was going to try. So I'm just going to use some clear caviar beads, try to represent the water a little bit more. And just pour them on there. Fishy's now underwater considerably. And what everybody tells me is to make sure that there's no blings hanging onto the edge. Because if this was on your nail, you'd be having a time with it, poking you and stuff. So I'm pretending so that when I go to use it on myself, I'm gonna give this a cure. I just rubbed off what was on top over on my waste bin. There's still one there. I could play with this all day long. I still would never be happy. Now the ones that you didn't get dirty, you could put right back into your container of beads. So they're really secure. It worked. A couple of them might need to be brushed off. I brushed off my loose ones. They are really secure on here. Oh, but the ones that I put on top of stuff, see, like that one didn't really have any gel to go into. And it's not feeling sticky to me. Usually you'd put top coat over and then, but that's a cool little design. Can't really see my koi fish now. He's buried under all the bubbles of the sea. I'll take a picture of this and post it at the end of the video. And be sure to check out the others in the, there'll be a playlist. If you watch it in the playlist, that would be really kind of you. My video will repeat, and whoever's video you've already watched will repeat. Just, you can skip over them. But that would help get the playlist suggested to other viewers as well. Please make sure you wish Beauty Bee Nails a happy birthday. I wish her a happy birthday. I wish her many more to come. Happy Thanksgiving for those of you celebrating Thanksgiving today. I hope everything goes better than you planned and you have a great day. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.